welcome to FinextraTV. I'm Hannah Wallace and we're here at Merchants Payments Ecosystem 2022 in Berlin. With me now in the busy press lounge is Chris Jameson, co-head of Product Management, Global Transaction Services, EMEA at Bank of America. Chris, great to see you again. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
Great to have you on, and really looking forward to our discussion today because it's midway through 2022 already, and that means companies will be reviewing their business plans, and we're at Merchant Payments Ecosystem after all. So why do you think companies should be taking into account merchant solutions within those reviews? Let's start there.
Yeah, of course. Thanks so much for having me here. So, merchant services has generally been focused on companies that have a retail element, so where they're dealing directly with consumers, but we're seeing that shift, and we've most definitely seen more and more B2B companies start to have an e-commerce offering. So 65% of all B2B companies now have an e-commerce offering. So it's an integrated part of their receivables ecosystem. So as they're thinking about payments, so wires, ACH, direct debit collections, trade collections, they have to include merchant as part of that review as well. And then bringing that all together obviously is the data around those collections, and we service our clients with tools like intelligent receivables and virtual account management, which brings all of that together. So it's becoming a lot more of a core element of the receivables process of a company.
All right, thanks for bringing us up to date there, Chris. And now, are there any new payment solutions available that you'd like to highlight that companies can really draw on?
Yeah, of course. I think one of the key topics of discussion today at the conference has been around open banking. And so a lot of thought is going into products and solutions that can help our clients leverage the benefits of the open banking rails. One of those solutions is Pay by Bank. So this is a tool that we've created along with Banked, a company called Banked, which facilitates account-to-account payments, leveraging the open banking rails, where there's no need to hold debit or credit card information on behalf of the merchant. So it actually makes more choice for the consumer. It gives them another option at checkout. But from a merchant perspective, it reduces cost. It also means that they don't have to retain that consumer data, which is always a problem in holding the debit card and credit card information. And so that's one really interesting area that we're talking to clients about in the open banking space.
All right, some exciting opportunities there, and I think you'll agree, innovation is at the heart of a lot of discussions over the course of MPE. So with that in mind, how do you think transaction banks can help companies keep up with this rapid pace of change that we're seeing?
I have to say, Hannah, there's an awful lot of noise in the system, a lot of innovation noise, whether that's new schemes, initiatives, companies out there. So it is difficult for companies and banks to keep up with the change that's happening. I guess my core recommendation is for those companies to come and talk to banks like us. You know, we spend an awful lot of time listening to clients, listening to their needs, and then looking out at the market, trying to cut through that noise and think about what should we build, where should we buy, and who should we partner with to bring products to market for our clients, as we've done with Banked, as I mentioned earlier, in the Pay by Bank space. You know, we spend an awful lot of money, $10 billion a year on technology, $3.5 billion of that on new development technology. So we're very experienced at bringing new products to market on the back of what our clients are asking for. So the key is companies should come and talk to us. Don't navigate that noise on your own, but work with banks like Bank of America.
Brilliant. Well, some very good advice to end on there, Chris. Thank you very much. I'll let you get back to the busy event, but looking forward to catching up further down the line.
Thank you so much indeed.